In today's video, we are going to cover how to add a middle initial or suffix to your name in TurboTax. We're going to start by signing in to your TurboTax account and opening the tax return where you want to update your name details. Once the return is open, give the page a moment to load fully if needed so all of the navigation options are visible. Next, look to the left-hand menu and click My Info. This section is where TurboTax keeps your personal details for the return, including the parts of your name that appear on your tax information. After you select My Info, move to the Your Info area on the page. In that section, click Revisit or Review/Edit depending on the version you see. Both options take you back into the part of the return where your personal information can be updated. If TurboTax brings up a summary of your details first, stay in the same section and continue until you can view the fields for your name. Now locate the field labeled middle initial, which is marked as optional, and the field labeled junior, SER, etc., which is also optional. These are the two fields you will use for this update. Make sure you are editing the correct person if the return includes more than one taxpayer, since the MyInfo section can contain separate entries. If you need to add a middle initial, click into the middle initial field and type the single letter that applies to your legal name. Enter only the middle initial in that space. Do not add a full middle name there unless the field specifically calls for it, since this area is intended for the initial. If you need to add a suffix, click into the junior, SER, etc. field and enter the suffix that applies to your name. This could be something like junior, CR, 2, 3, or another suffix that matches your records. Use the suffix that belongs with your name as it appears on official tax documents so the information stays consistent throughout your return. After entering the middle initial, the suffix, or both, review the full name details on the screen. Take a moment to confirm that the spelling and placement are correct and that each part is entered in its matching field. This is especially useful if you updated only one part of the name and want to make sure nothing else changed. When everything looks correct, click Continue. That saves your updated information and moves you forward in the tax return. If TurboTax advances to the next screen, that confirms the changes were accepted and you can continue working through the rest of your return from there. Your TurboTax return now includes your middle initial or suffix in the name details.